Hi, I'm Chuck. I build things. Cool things. Odd things. Useful things. Things you should see. Sometimes other people join me. We build interesting stuff that's sometimes kind of awesome.
I grew up participating in hobbies like model rocketry, followed appropriate levels of science fiction.
Look at me. Look at me. I am the captain now.
And I've done a lot of traveling. I've built things my entire life, and over the years, I've gained a particular set of skills. Not actual professional skills or anything like that, just basic skills.
The belt sander covers a multitude of errors.
I've also managed to accumulate enough tools to make just about anything. I'm not a trained builder or anything like that. I just enjoy creating unusual things that we can use around the house.
I used to build model rockets that would fly in excess of Mach 1. Then I realized that I could use those rocket building skills to build things for the house that were less likely to explode. When you build things yourself, it's more than just going to a store, buying some furniture and sticking it in your house. It's actually you. You've built it. So our house is full of things that are about our family that we built together that feel like us. You can do the same thing.
A lot of people think these projects are from kits I got from the Cool Project store. Others ask how all of these things work. So now we make videos to show you how we do what we do and why we thought of these things in the first place.
I hope you see something here that sparks a desire to build something great. You might not think you can do it, but you can. And you might even do it better than you planned. Or it could end in disaster. But either way, you're likely to learn something, and you'll end up eventually building something really cool that fits in your world. Is it overbuilt, overpowered, and kind of ridiculous? Yeah.